Are you confused about weak immune system? If you are worried as you are suffering with weak immune system, this video will give you a good clarity about how to identify whether you are suffering with a weak immune system. The immune system protects the body from infection. A person with a weak immune system may be more prone to frequent infections. Symptoms of weak immune systems include frequent and recurrent pneumonia, bronchitis, sinus infections, ear infections, and skin infections. Inflammation and infection of internal organs, blood disorders such as low platelet counts or anemia, digestive problems such as cramping, loss of appetite, nausea, and diarrhea. People with a weak immune system have a higher risk of experiencing frequent infections and severe symptoms. They may be more prone to pneumonia and other conditions. Bacteria and viruses, including the viruses that causes the infection of COVID-19, can have a devastating effect on the person with a compromised immune system. People with a weak immune system should avoid being too near to anyone who has a cold or another infection. Viruses and other infectious illness can spread from person to person through close contact. They can also spread in the water droplets that a person expels into the air when they cough or sneeze. Stress can weaken the immune system further and make a person more susceptible to illness. Some research shows that a person who is under excessive stress is more likely to get sick. People with weak immune system should take steps to manage their stress. Practices that may reduce and manage stress include yoga, meditation, massage, spending time pursuing hobbies, staying in touch with friends, relatives, and others who can offer support. Tests used to diagnose an immune disorder include blood test. Blood tests can determine if you have normal levels of infection-fighting proteins, immunoglobulin in your blood, and measure the level of blood cells and immune system cells. Abnormal number of certain cells can indicate an immune system defect. According to the National Sleep Foundation, sleep deprivation has a similar effect on the body's immune system as stress. Lack of sleep disrupts the normal production of white blood cells, a crucial component of the body's immune system. According to Center for Disease Control, adults should aim for at least 7 hours of sleep per day, while infants and children need between 8 to 17 hours of sleep depending on their age. The immune system is a complex system of blood cells and organs, and it protects the body from harmful germs that can cause illness. If a person finds that they are frequently getting infections, they might have a weak immune system. A person with a weak immune system can take some steps at home to keep themselves healthy and maximize their immune function. In case you have any doubts regarding your weak immune system, consult your family doctor and take his advice. If you like this video, share this video to friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.